Hey everyone, I'm David Flattenborough, and welcome to 12-Point Tools. Today, we're diving into something that every woodworker, contractor, and DIY enthusiast faces: a dull saw blade. We've all been there, right? You're in the middle of a project, the cuts are getting rough, you see burn marks, and it feels like you're pushing the wood through instead of guiding it. It's frustrating, slows you down, and can even ruin your project. So, what's the solution? Do you toss that expensive blade and buy a new one? Not so fast. Here at 12-Point Tools in Havant, we have a much better, more cost-effective answer. Professional saw blade sharpening. This isn't just about making it a little bit sharper. It's about restoring your blade to factory-level precision, and sometimes even better. Let's take a look at the process. Here you can see a TCT saw blade being sharpened on our CNC saw grinder. When you bring your blade to us, whether it's a TCT circular saw blade, a planer blade, or even a router bit, it goes through a multi-step restoration. First, we inspect it for any damage, like chipped or missing teeth. Then, using our state-of-the-art CNC sharpening machines, we precisely grind each tooth to the correct angle and height. This is crucial. Every type of blade has a specific tooth geometry, like the ATB, or alternate top bevel, on most combination blades, or the TCG triple chip grind, for fine cutting wood or even aluminium and plastics. Our machines ensure every single tooth is perfectly matched, which guarantees a smooth, clean cut and reduces tear out. Think about the benefits. First, you save a significant amount of money. Sharpening a high-quality blade costs just a fraction of buying a new one, and you can often sharpen a blade multiple times, dramatically extending its life. Second, it's better for the environment. Reusing your tools means less waste heading to the landfill. And third, a sharp blade is a safe blade. Dull blades require more force to push through material, which increases the risk of kickback and accidents. A sharp blade cuts effortlessly, giving you more control and a safer workshop. Don't just take our word for it. We've had countless customers walk in with blades they thought were finished, only to walk out with a tool that cuts like it's brand new. The feedback is always the same: "I can't believe the difference," or 12-Point Tools are simply the best. That's the 12-Point Tools difference. It's not just about sharpening. It's about providing quality, expertise, impeccable service, and value to our community. So, before you throw away that dull blade, bring it down to us at 12-Point Tools in Havant. Let our expert technicians bring it back to life. You'll not only save money, but also improve the quality of your work and the safety of your shop. It's a win-win-win. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tool tips and tricks. Visit our website for more details on our sharpening services. We'll see you in the next video.